Clogged gutter outlets are like the worst enemy of your home's drainage system, and if you don't keep them clear, you're basically asking for water damage and expensive repairs. So first off, make sure you check your gutters at least every couple of months, especially after heavy storms or when leaves start falling like crazy. Use a sturdy ladder and scoop out leaves, twigs, and any other gunk that's stuck in there. Don't be shy about getting your hands dirty. Flushing the outlets with a garden hose is super helpful to make sure water flows freely. If it doesn't, try using a plumber's snake or a stick to push through the blockage. Another tip is to install gutter guards if you want to cut down on how often you have to clean them, but remember they still need some maintenance. When you're cleaning, look out for any cracks or rust spots and patch those up right away to avoid leaks. If your gutters are sagging or pulling away from the house, tighten the fasteners or replace damaged hangers. And definitely wear gloves and eye protection because debris can be nasty and sometimes sharp. Lastly, if you're feeling unsure about climbing up there or the job seems too big, don't hesitate to call in a pro. It's better than dealing with flood damage later. One of the biggest slip-ups with gutter outlet maintenance is ignoring the problem until you see water spilling over the sides, which means your gutters are already overwhelmed. Fixing it means regular cleaning and keeping an eye out for early signs of clogging. Another common mistake is not checking the slope of your gutters. If they're not angled correctly toward the outlets, water just pools and causes blockages. Adjusting the pitch can fix this. Thirdly, people forget to clear downspouts leading from the outlets, which blocks water flow no matter how clean the gutters look. Flushing these with water or using a plumber's snake clears the path nicely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who really need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.